So about this plumber, you never know what you're going to get at these debates, and no one could have anticipated that a plumber from Ohio would be mentioned 24 times. So he woke up this morning, the nation's newest celebrity. Everybody wanted a piece of him today, and by tonight he probably just wants a little piece. His story tonight from NBC's Kevin Tibbles.
I'm getting ready to buy a company that makes $200.
At first, he was simply Joe the plumber questioning Barack Obama.
Your new tax plan is going to tax me more, isn't it?
But during last night's presidential debate, Joe became a TV touchstone, the everyman battling big government and taxes.
To Joe the plumber.
With Joe the plumber.
Now, my old buddy Joe.
By debate's end, a Wikipedia page had appeared. By sunup, his quiet Holland, Ohio street was